Since the end of March, the UK has been in lockdown to stop the COVID-19 virus. So, what are Britons doing at home? They're baking. Home baking is now such a popular hobby that supermarkets have run out of flour. And visits to one baking website have increased by 900% compared to last spring. The most popular recipes are for simple and traditional foods that remind people of their childhood, like scones and cakes. People are also making their own bread. Why baking? There are many reasons. Some people wanted to learn a new skill. Making something to eat helps people feel better when they're anxious. Producing a loaf of bread takes hours, and this helps people plan their day. Many people enjoy using their senses of smell, taste, and touch when they're baking. Finally, baking is an activity that people can share. Some home bakers are making bread to give away. One baking teacher in London gives 30 loaves of bread every week to staff at local hospitals to thank them. After working 48 hours, one doctor was so grateful to receive a loaf of bread that she started to cry. Other people are sharing what they bake with friends and neighbors. People are also sharing recipes and photos of their baking through social media. There have been online meetings, so people can teach each other new skills. Other people are using social media to post photos of themselves, enjoying gifts from neighbors. Home bakers say that making other people smile helps them find some happiness at this difficult time. The British have been in love with baking since the TV programme The Great British Bake Off started in 2010. Millions of people enjoy watching this weekly baking competition to find the country's best home baker. It looks like British baking is here to stay. And even though it might be hard to buy flour at the supermarket at the moment, there's actually plenty of flour in the UK. It just takes time to put the flour into small bags to sell at the supermarket.